Oh, dirty senior citizen. Eh? Come on for my name, senior citizen. Senior citizen, come on for my name. Dirty thinking, Queenie. Come on for my name, you two bumbuckler bad mind. And hungry and stink. Nastiness, come on for my name. Dirty careless Queenie. Worthless Queenie. Come on for my name. Dirty bad mind Queenie. Come on for my name. Dirty thinking senior citizen. Come on for my name. Dog shit. My grandmother, come on for me. Grandma, please stop calling me name, Grandma. Grandma, please, Grandma, stop calling me name. Show it punish for people. We are taking nuggets. Paper. We have to go multitask today. While me they cuss, me want to snipe. All right. Thank you, Jelisa. Thank you. We go snipe. Paper, show it something big, pan the triple. Show it pan the triple, people. We are going to take nuggets right now. We got take nuggets. We are going to show him say, I know Nicki Minaj alone can't flap him. Uno can't flap him too. So, you're smarty batty boy. One bomba savvy. Savvy. One savvy. Now I'm here now with savvy man. You're smarty little batty boy. Take that, you are taking nuggets batty boy. But near more them other batty boy. You come 1 week with the nuggets. We are take them. We are take them batty boy. Senior citizen. But we cannot go there with Queenie. Alright. We have one girl figure in the name Queenie. She named Queenie. You want her? Eh? We got work together. We have one girl named Queenie figure. She wants senior citizen. Queenie, you're Jamaica reject. Queenie, you're Jamaica reject. Queenie, you're Jamaica reject. We do not like you. Dirty Queenie. Somebody drop her gloves. Somebody drop her gloves. Somebody drop her gloves, paper. Nobody in the gloves can drop. Paper, drop our gloves. Because he gonna try snipe. We are taking nuggets them. Boy, we don't Nicki Minaj, we are taking nuggets. Batty boy, you somebody? Eh? You can't call up Nicki name. She a bad mind. Somebody? That boy gonna name out them other batty boy. Go there with Queenie. Senior citizen Queenie, come on for my name. Dirty worthless Queenie, come on for my name. Low life Queenie. Dirty Queenie, come on for my name. Bad mind Queenie, come on for my name. Paper, listen paper. Tell me if Queenie are no crosses. Queenie come for me life. I'm running my family life and tell me go near out in big stinking mama. Everybody knows that me can't tame. Me this everybody. If you don't come for me life, you want contact and me run your blood clot. Are you vex? You burn you can't even sleep. You look a drunker. Paper me run Queenie like dog. Me diss him bomber clot and send him up on 19 kin nasty mama. Me diss him pussy wall. So if you try me diss him, in can't sleep, so he come this morning and come burn me out. Nasty senior citizen, careless, dirty Queenie. Come on for my name. You're Jamaica reject. We do not like your dirty Queenie. You're Jamaica reject. You are Jamaica reject. Queenie. Somebody drop paper, drop our gloves. Drop our gloves for the 30 seconds. Nobody have no gloves. Paper ain't gonna snipe. I that didn't do it last time. He sniped last time. Drop our gloves, paper. Somebody drop our gloves. We are taking nuggets. Somebody drop. Nah, good now. No me talk about Queenie. Dirty nasty Queenie. You two bumbuckler bad mind. You stink na bumbuckler. Big dirty careless Queenie. Senior citizen. 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 My grandma. My grandmother, 65 older. 65 years on older. You're collecting Social Security benefit. You're a senior citizen. You are a senior citizen. Stop arguing with me. You're a senior citizen, okay? Grandma, old lady, grandma, Queenie. Me not argue with my grandmother in a dog. Senior citizen. Old senior citizen. Look at the monitor and identify that person. That's a senior citizen. Okay? Look at the monitor and identify that person. That's a senior citizen. So dirty Queenie, come on for me name. Me not argue with her. You're my grandmother. I mean not argue with my grandmother. I have respect for my grandmother. I mean not go argue with her. Okay? If you become me have respect for my grandmother, me not go ever argue with my granny. Alright? Queenie, you're my grandmother. You're a senior citizen. You're old. You're not my age group. Stay in your age group, dirty Queenie. You're a senior citizen. Boy, Queenie, not even no shame to blood clot. You agree that the jungle. Queenie, all you want me I respect for you and doing I respect for you. Your husband, you are married and take a England and I respect for you. For who else have respect for your dirty blood clot? If your husband we are married and give papers and I respect for you. Or me go have respect for your junker. In dog shit, eh? If your bumbuckler married Dowey and Dowey give your papers, you give Dowey papers and Dowey not respect for you. So you expect me to respect for you. In junker, your husband whether in your house, in your bed, your man in your bed will live with you, not respect for you. I expect people out the road to have respect for you. Nah, lady, go on where I go here. Mrs. Senior Citizen. No come nobody go there so. Come on, if your husband will sleep in your bed with you, your husband, your man, nah no respect for you. Or you expect me if you have respect for you? Eh? You Senior Citizen? Move your blood clot from you, so you think no blood clot. All drunk are you. And I have no respect for you. You're a senior citizen, don't talk. Hello, lady. What? I'm turning on the camera.
Hi, good night.
Turn on the camera.
Blamdem finally had me.
Turn on the camera, I miss you. Come down then. We don't have no respect for you. Nobody at Jamaica. Queenie, nobody at Jamaica and no respect for you. Nobody at Jamaica. Nobody at Jamaica. Queenie. Nobody at Jamaica and then right it. Mine. Would have never no respect for you because you're a senior citizen. Alright, Queenie? So you have a sense to dance a yard before you dance abroad. Your yard not no respect for you. So all we have respect for you. In drunker or dirty senior citizen, we not no respect for you. Alright. Or Brit they send me request and I know him a decline. Or the Brit man. Mad bumble. Eh? You, nobody here yard not no respect for you. So all we expect we have respect for you. In drunker, we not no respect for your dog shit. We don't have any respect for you. Nastiness, dog shit, we not no respect for you. Dirty Queenie, we not no respect for you. We don't care about you. Yes, I look, all you put yourself out there, we go. Alright. So if a Jamaica you come with respect, we turn to England. Because we not no respect for you. No. If you not, anybody have respect for Queenie, comment love Queenie. Anybody who hate Queenie, comment hate. I will go show you say we not like you, Queenie. Queenie, me go prove to you right now say we not like you. If you like Queenie, comment. If you hate Queenie, comment hate. Watch out, my blood clot, number 8. Queenie, me done. Me end my life. Me now go back with Queenie. Watch out, come out 8. On the screen record this and send it viral. Because we show Queenie so nobody not like him. If you hate Queenie, comment 8. No screen record this and send it viral. Queenie, nobody at Jamaica and no respect for you. We hate you. We hate you, Queenie. You careless and stink and worthless. Dirty nasty Queenie. Nobody at Jamaica and no respect for you. You're a careless, big thinking senior citizen. You stink. Alright. Done.
Music's not welcome up in here.
Hello. If your man in your yard and no respect for you. Look at dirty thinking. We mix up human name. I thought Nicki Minaj a long time they make your belly for you. I make your belly for you for a long time. And you want this. You know me, I think they know me stay. They know some very disrespectful. And then come for my life with disrespect. But she did it, they might try this. Are you them make your belly for? Are you then not like? You see me Nicki Minaj? Are you then not like? If you then not like you, and once we send me and them alone in the life, and me this them, then not a problem. But once you did it, they're gonna make it like you the up holy. Because they not like you. So until you see they have a problem, you know say you they not like. Your blood clot thinking senior citizen you. They call human name for. When me that disrespect your blood clot, human said no, Blamdem stop. Paper. Last time when me had this up Queenie dirty blood clot. The people them say, Nicki Minaj say, Blamdem stop. Don't do that. Don't dis Queenie. And here when God says say human no defend her. They dis up human. Your blood clot drunk or you. But never about them that thinking blood clot nasty Queenie. You look at dirty senior citizen you. That even know when he come off alive and kin out too much for live like him block him. Where? Dirty senior citizen. Yeah, I'm Batman and Roger. They can't call me name. Don't call me name. I look think no blood. No call me name. I don't want to call me name. When no call me name, when I move on a blood clot, I'll Batman and Roger. I don't want a Batman to call me name. Batman and Roger.